Crispy on the outside with a luscious caramelized banana filling. This is the air fryer banana fritter. So when making banana fritters, right, you want to find the right kind of banana that you're going to use. I prefer to use local bananas because I prefer that raw sugar flavor that's a little bit better than imported bananas from far away. But you must also make sure that these bananas have enough bite and are starchy enough so that when you cook them, they don't fall apart completely. Don't use them if they're too ripe. If they're too ripe, they're going to be mushy and too soft. As the Gula melaka starts to caramelize on the cut side of the bananas, I'm going to grate a little bit more Gula melaka just on the outside. Once your Gula melaka has started to caramelize on the bananas, remember I don't want to cook these for too long. I'm going to take them out of the pan now. I'm using a little bit of cream cheese in here because it's going to add to the richness inside the banana fritter. Cream cheese by itself doesn't have that much flavor. I'm going to add some Gula melaka in here. I'm going to mash it around to soften it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to moisten our rice paper. Now, a lot of people have the misconception that you need to dunk this in water for a long time. Actually, you don't need to. Some people just brush water on it. We're just going to run this through water for about 3 to 5 seconds and then drain it off and take it out. It will still be firm. Anytime your rice paper is too wet and too moist, then you will defeat the purpose of having that crunch. Now keep your filling close to the bottom and the base of the rice paper, okay? Don't put it right in the center because we need to have as much of the covering going around this to protect it as it bakes inside your air fryer. Now after one roll, I'm gonna flip the sides over and this adds another layer of protection. And then I wrap and I roll and roll so that the entire thing is covered in at least 2 layers of rice paper. Ta-da! They're kind of sticky and a little bit softer. I'm going to try and get a nice crust going on these inside the air fryer. In order to do that, I need to drive out some of the moisture. I'm going to brush these with a little bit of melted butter. As always, using an air fryer, it's prudent to preheat an air fryer first before you load your items inside to cook. Doing so ensures that you're cooking them at the right temperature for the correct amount of time. All right, time's up. Let's see what we've got. Ooh, look at that. I'm going to take a knife. So you can hear the sound. Oh, yes, look at that. Woo, these are nice and hot and crispy. Okay, here goes. Woo. Skin is nice and crispy. The interior, the filling, I've got that banana flavor, but I've also got a caramelized edge from the Gula melaka. And just on the inside, close to the banana, the rice paper is a little bit chewy. It's almost like this mochi kind of texture. That's very fun.